Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 10 chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.5 question 4. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by any algebraic method. So the problems are given to us. We have to read these situations and then we have to form pair of linear equations. And if they exist, meaning is, I have explained to you in the introduction part, in graphical method, these are the conditions when we get the two equations. These are the conditions that if it is intersecting, that means we will have one solution. And if the graph is coinciding, we will have infinite number of solutions. And if the graph is parallel, then we will have no solution. So that is the meaning of it. If the equation, this ratio is not matching, then it will be a parallel line which will have no solution. So that is why it is said that we have to form the pair of linear equations and find their solution if they exist. If it is parallel line, then we don't need to find the solutions. And how we will find the solution? By any algebraic method. This also I have explained to you in the introduction part. Algebraic method, I have put separate video for this. So there are three methods are there: substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. So any of these method you can use to find the solution. Find the solution means finding the value for x and y. So let's begin now. First part, in this video we'll do the first part of the sum. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. So we have to find what is the fixed charge of the hostel and what is the cost of food per day. This is what we have to find out, because whenever we go to hostel, their fixed charges for staying. To stay in the hostel, some amount of money we have to pay. So there is a fixed charges there. When you go to a hostel, this much amount has to be paid. That is fixed charge. Then cost of food per day. So how many days you are staying? So per day, food, what you have to pay. So we have to find two charges, fixed charges and cost of food per day. So there is a student A, she stays 20 days. So we have to find what is the fixed charge of the hostel and for 20 days she has taken the food and total she is paying 1000. Here student B, she is staying 26 days. So she has to pay the fixed charge for staying in the hostel plus 26 days food she has taken. For that total she is paying 1180. So let's find out the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. So whenever we have to find something, that only we will keep it as let. So let fixed charge be x and let the cost of food per day y. So this is what we have to find out. So one we keep it as x and the second one what we have to find, we'll keep it as y. So now we have to make the equations. So first A. So the A student stays in the hostel, right? So that is fixed charge she has to pay. Plus how many days she is staying? She is staying for 20 days. For 20 days. So per day food charge is y. So 20 days food charge will be 20y. And total how much she is paying? She is paying 1000. So same way the student B, she also stays in the hostel. So fixed charge has to be paid. Plus how many days? She stays for 26 days. So for 26 days she takes the food. So per day it is y. So 26 days how much she has to pay? Together she is paying 1180 rupees. So we got the equations now. So this is our equation 1. This is our equation 2. So now it is said that you can use any method, substitution, elimination, or cross multiplication method. So whichever method you are comfortable, you can use that method. Here I am going to use elimination method because we have already here the x coefficient is same. So there is no need to make any changes. Directly we can subtract any one equation from the other. So by elimination method, going to do by elimination method, subtract equation 1 from equation 2. The equation 2 is a bigger number, so from equation 2 we'll subtract equation 1. So let's do it. So equation 2 is x plus 26y equal to 1180. Equation 1 is x plus 20y equal to 1,000. So let us subtract. So when we are subtracting, we have to change the sign because both are plus. We need to eliminate, so we have to change the sign. So this also becomes minus. This also becomes minus. So now this gets eliminated. From 26, if you minus 20, we will get 6y. And biggest number is plus, so it is plus. From 1180, if you subtract 1000, we'll get 180. So now y value will be, this is in multiplication. When it comes this side, becomes division. Three times when we cancel, so y equal to 30. So we got the y value. So let's put this, put y equal to 30 in equation 1. Any one equation you can put it. So equation 1 is x plus 20y equal to 1000. So x value we have to find out. Y value we found out, that is 30. So x plus 20 into 30, 20 into 30 will give us 600. So let's keep x on side. The 600 comes this side, becomes minus. So x value we will get 400. So x is what? X is fixed charge of the hostel and y is cost of the food per day. So we have found out. Hence, the fixed charge of the hostel is rupees 400 and the cost of food per day is rupees 30. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.